Are you so focused on providing a great customer experience and dedicate all your time to creating delicious meals and struggle to find time to make the right purchasing decisions? Let us, Foodbuy, save you time and money and find the right contracts, from fries to forks to furnishings. Going at it alone is frankly outdated, and working with a buying group is limited to only one service. But if you partnered with us, Foodbuy, you would spend less, profit more, leaving both you and your guests more satisfied. Foodbuy will show you where you can earn rebates, save on invoices, and make smarter decisions about your business. Instead of getting a statement with one number, you'd get a clear and concise report with your monthly check, breaking down which contracts gave you what rebate. Foodbuy has $1.5 billion in sales in Canada. This, combined with Foodbuy USA, makes us the largest procurement service company in North America. And because of this, suppliers want to work with us, which means you get the benefit of the most lucrative contracts, less costs, and higher rebates for you. The best part is, we treat you as an individual, and our service fits businesses of all shapes and sizes. We listen and are committed to getting to know your business model and structure, and then offer creative and easy suggestions on how to improve it to help drive your great results. If you're a restaurant, we have experts that know everything about restaurants. If you're a hotel, we have people that specialize in just hotels. No matter what the industry, Foodbuy is on your team. Our job is to help you drive your costs down through utilizing contracts with the right products for the right price, with the emphasis on bettering your business. Don't waste another minute. Contact us and start saving money now.